Hey guys, this is Deepthi here, and today I'm going to talk about a software called SynWrite. And basically, it is an advanced text editor for programmers, and it's a good notepad replacement. So, this is the icon for that SynWrite, and I'm going to click on it. And this is how the portal looks like. Basically, first let's talk about how it is as a notepad replacement. See, if you go to all the tabs, you will see that it looks similar to a notepad. Like it's got all the features of a notepad, and like file, you can have new, open, recent files, and all that. And edit, you can have all the editing done. Like let's say if I type the big brown fox, so if I want to edit it and just copy paste, it can do all the various functions of a notepad editor. So like if I want to, let's say, delete fox, edit, delete, so it will go away like that. So it has got all the functions of a notepad editor and of a notepad. And see, it's like it does all the search also. If you find next, find big, find next, so it will search like that, just like how you can do it in notepad. So plus it's got all these various icons over here which are very user friendly, like open, save, print, dialog, find, and go to, all the tabs and ascending, descending, like let's say, okay, so these are the three. One is a sentence, and let's say if I want to sort ascending, so see, it will sort it in ascending order, 1 2 3 6 5 4. So it can be used as a notepad. It's a handy tool. So then you can have encoding also. It has syntax highlighting for a lot of languages, like let's say if you go to view and Lexer, so this is where you'll find all the languages over here. And it has all the syntax codes and everything, the syntax errors and syntax highlighting for them, for the languages. And it's got a very nice tree structure, like you can have like this toggle between the structures and go up, down, sideways. And it's got a clipboard history, like whichever the last action that you performed, it has all the history in it. So so that way you can do. And auto completion and everything is there, like just like in notepad you have, it has got all the auto completion, code templates, clipboard history panel, which I just discussed. And search, replace with regular expressions. So this is what it is: search, find current word text, find all kinds of search functions you can perform with this. And you can do that in multiple files also, like the same functions you can have in multiple files. And external tool support, it has got customized external tools, like all the tool properties, down, clear, name, file name, parameters, Lexer for all Lexers, or for particular file, let's say C++. Okay, say before hotkey, you can assign a hotkey to it. And all the various features you can do with this. So then you can also run macros on this. You can start recording, and you can do keyboard macros. So that also you can do with this software. And you can have bookmarks, set numbered bookmarks, like you can use hotkeys like shift control 3 or shift control 4, like for 4. And like that you can have numbered bookmarks. Like let's say I want a bookmark for this. Okay, so bookmarks at numbered bookmark, and let's say 5. So this will be my bookmark 5 for this. And if I want to go to a numbered bookmark, see 5, it says the big brown, so that becomes my bookmark over here. So that's also a very good feature of the software. And spell checking is also there, like you can spell check with this software. And I'm just trying to find the spell checking is in uh, it is here. So anyways, so that also you can do with this, just like in bookmark, in notepad you can do it in this also. So that way it's a very handy tool for that too. So oh, see, here it is, spell check, alt and F7, so you can do a spell check. Spelling check is complete. So it's got that feature too. And then it has got the HTML tidy support. This is the HTML tidy support. You can configure tidy, reformat only, default configuration, clean document, no wrap, and all that. It's got all the features like that. And if you want to insert color into it, and then you have this color palette, and you can select any color and okay. And see, this shows the color number that you just selected. And if you want to if you want to open it, okay, it's a file not found anyway. So you can just select a color, like let's say here, or if I want yeah, you can add any color to it, like insert color, you can have any color like red or green or okay. So this is what it will give you, the code of that color, and you can have that color over here. So you can add any color to the text or anything that you write. So that's also a very good feature. So I would say just go for it, guys. It's a very handy tool, and I will give you the download instructions in my description on YouTube, on my channel, so you can go ahead and download it from there. And I hope you like this software as much as I do, and it's very good for programmers as well as for people who want to know a notepad replacement. So I'm sure you're going to like the software, and hope you install it from the link that I give you. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.